welcome back to my channel. As you guys know, I'm late to all the trends. This video was going around, I would say about 6 months ago, maybe even a year ago.
But now we present the most anticipated sequel since Air Bud 2.
Yay! That's right, today my boyfriend is gonna pick out my outfits. Yay! Now I wanna give a little backstory on this. Jeff is not familiar with the internet.
No.
And so he's not, have you ever seen any of these?
Have I seen the internet? I have America Online, I have Prodigy, and Net Zero when I have to do some saucy stuff.
No, have you ever seen these videos? I mean, I guess that one time, I'll link it below, but I picked out his outfits before we went on vacation.
I'm worried about like a crotch pop.
So I was trying to explain it to him, and on top of that, he doesn't like shopping.
No.
And on top of that, you were so stressed when we went to the store today.
Anxious. Don't like it when people come up to me and ask if they can help me. Don't like it.
Well, lucky for you, I took you to Forever 21, where they don't care to help you at all.
No, they did stare at me, looking a man walking around alone with a giant bag of dumb shit.
I took him in there, so I was shopping on my own, and spoiler alert, Forever 21 doesn't fit me very well anymore because I am not 21, and
spoiler alert, I'm just eyeballing sizes.
So this is going to be interesting. So I gave him like a parameter. I said 3 outfits, head to toe, accessories, go to town.
You told me 1 casual outfit, 1 night out outfit, and 1 miscellaneous.
Do you want to tell us the category of miscellaneous, or here we're gonna wait?
They'll know when they see it.
Okay, well let's take a look into your journey of shopping.
Air Bud 2. Oh, hello, boyfriend here. I'm here at what's left of America's Mall. My job today is to buy outfits for Lisa Schwartz. I don't know anything about women's clothing. I know how to fix a toilet, I'm decent on a grill. So the only thing I have to do is make her look like a character from like a 90s Nickelodeon show. Let's do this. Oh, it's back to school shopping with Jeff, who's up on all the latest fashions. I don't even know what that is. Do you call that a half shirt? 100 sheep died to make these bags. It looks like dead sheep is really in this year. I do know that Lisa likes, I don't know what that's called. Is that like a cooch strap? Like a vag sling? Okay, I found a textured corduroy skirt, zip skirt. That's the professional name. And now I need to find a boob sweater to go with it. Located. 1 boob sweater. I promised myself I'd take one of these seriously, but then you find some gold. Welcome to the basic bitch section. This is actually legitimate cute. And it's also how old she is. I mean, she said anything. A wild Schwartz in her natural habitat. Wow. Wow. Get out. No way. Huge surprise.
So let's start with, which outfit do you want to start with?
Number 1, a casual outfit.
Casual. What does casual mean to you?
Casual means versatile. It could be an afternoon in the library studying for your physics exam, or it could be a 3rd date to the mini golf and skee ball emporium. It's flexible, it's comfortable, it allows for movement, and it indicates that you have a sense of style and freshness.
I also feel like you're thinking you're dating like a teenager, which is alarming, but like,
let's check it out.
I'm actually scared. For real, I was in the store with him, but I did not look. So let's do this.
All right, this is casual outfit number 1.
Do you want to like pull out the pieces and explain it to me, or should I just put it on?
Yeah, you just put it on.
Okay, here we go.
Wait. The inspiration is Sugar Ray.
What?
Shut the door, baby. Don't say a word.
Oh my God.
Do you feel like you're going back to middle school?
Dude, legit, I wore this outfit.
I think you're gonna look cowabunga bodacious.
Wait, are you sure about these 2 accessories?
Yes! I just wanna fly. What you want? Put your loving arms around me. Put your loving arms. Spin. I just want to fly. What you want?
Okay. I need to take you on a tour of this outfit.
Please do.
First of all, this is absurd that they sell these. I can't hear you. The fact that these pants are a thing is horrifying to me.
You don't remember Jenko's?
I do, but like, it's like a mom jean and a cargo pant and a bell bottom. It's too much.
Look, you look
How's
like...
my butt look?
What butt?
You can't see it, but...
Nope.
Okay, I gotta say, like, I'm down with this.
Shirt was cool. I thought you'd like the
The
shirt.
shirt's cool. Like, I would keep this. Like, I like the color.
Yeah.
What was your thought behind the two accessories?
Because I want you to be like a cool Lollapalooza girl who's about to hit up the Claire's at the mall before hitting the Sbarro for some pizza and macking on some Super Nintendo.
Jeff, what is with the camera angles?
I wanted to feel like spring break on MTV.
This is bad. Can we change now?
Do you like the shirt though?
Dude, I'll keep the shirt for real.
Winner!
Shut the door, baby. Don't say a word.
My question is, are you wanting to date a dude? Because I definitely look like a dude.
I told you I would make you look like a 90s Nickelodeon character.
I feel like
I delivered.
I'll tell you what though, this is like literally what I looked like when I was like 15.
Maybe that's what this is. Maybe this is a journey from your past, your present, and your future.
Oh God. Okay, well, can't get worse than this. What's the next outfit?
Outfit number 2 is when we class it up a little bit.
Ooh,
Time.
This is date night?
This is date night. This outfit is pret-a-porter. Ready to wear.
What's pret-a-porter?
Ready to wear.
Okay.
To the local brasserie.
Ooh.
Perhaps a moonlit glass of Merlot by the Eiffel Tower. Here we go. Au revoir.
I'm scared. Okay.
Air Bud.
Ooh la la. I hate this.
Oh,
I hate this.
que bon.
This makes me feel so insecure and disgusting.
You are the sexy exchange student. Come to stay in my house from the streets of France.
I'm the fat American that ate too many croissants.
You have a sexy beret and socks that go all the way up to your knees.
I literally hate this. Did you actually think this was cute?
You have come to experience our culture. Spin! Spin for the Americans. Oh.
Okay, spoiler alert, this was the one skirt that I saw Jeff be like, that's cute, and you were serious, and this looks terrible on me, and I hate this, and I want to cry, and my boobs look cute, and I hate.
Look at the boob sweater.
Ooh la la! Ew! I hate this.
I feel
I
like
love you, but I feel like you're doing
feeling it.
No, I feel like you're doing a terrible job. I look like I'm trying to be on Gossip Girl. It's bad. It's really bad.
All right, so you have expressed loudly and strongly that I've dressed you down as a child, like middle school-ish.
Yeah.
Right? Okay. In anticipation of this, my last outfit, Miscellaneous, is something more modern, known as Young Lise.
Oh no, what does that mean?
Air Bud.
Word.
Last one.
Wait, what's the theme of this one?
This one is Young Lise, but it's not Y-O-U-N-G, it's Y-U-N-G-L-I-S, like Young Lise.
Literally, I don't, okay. You are the most absurd person I've literally ever.
DJ Khaled!
Jeff.
This
You know what,
is,
Jeff? This is not a reflection.
show him the side of the pants. Look at that shit. Hell yeah.
This is a reflection of society. What is this?
That's Travis Scott, or is that Lil Yachty?
I don't know what little.
Ah, it's Lil Bort. Ah, it's Lil Boat. Oh, it's Lil Yachty. You big Lil Yachty fan?
I mean, I'm not mad about these pants.
Comment below if you think Lise is old and irrelevant because she doesn't know who Lil Yachty is.
I don't know what any of this is. If I'm being honest, like, what is Pony?
Pony's a brand.
Like, what is it?
It's a brand. It's been around since like the 70s. Your dad wore Pony.
Dude, I'm like down with the ponies. How do they look on me? The pony
Turn.
sweats, like.
Pretty good actually. Certainly better. Your ass is returned as opposed to those wide leg jeans.
This is too hot.
Little yachty.
This is really terrible.
Let me get a focus on that. Princess. Cash money.
But can I say something serious? The sizes at Forever 21 are so confusing. Like, these are small and they're kind of big, but like the medium skirt was tight on me. I'm confused, and also I'm hot and sweaty, and I don't know who I am anymore. Honestly, I feel like you should wear this, Princess.
Honestly, 3 for 3.
This was terrible, and I actually think you thought the French one
Hot. Still do. I think the first one's hot, second one's hot, third one is like alterna hot.
I'm not mad about these pants. In the comments below, let us know which outfit you thought was the best.
And let me know which Air Bud movie is your favorite.
Wait, there's been 14 of these?
And also, if you want to see more of these, let us know. I feel like we could do different themes. Like, there's like a holiday theme, but I want to dress you up again.
I never want to go shopping again.
Online shopping.
You comment below if you never want to see this, ever.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of these enchanting videos, and we'll see you next time.
Princess.
I really like that on you. Bye.
Shut the door, baby. Don't say a word.